Hi. So, for the part of our assignment of stream processing and analytics, we are going to submit a document where we propose an architecture for the system with components. So, the system is a social media network which looks similar, which is almost similar to a Facebook, confined to a office or confined to a company. So, the first part of the question is the high level diagram of the tech stack that we are going to use. So this is we are going to use Postgres to manage the relational data because Postgres clusters have better performance. So over MySQL, and it is even more reliable. While we use Redis for caching and Elasticsearch and Elastic Log for logging. Apache Kafka is used for real-time streaming, and Cassandra is used for storing non-relational data, which is much better than Mongo in terms of as it can be stored, as it can be used to store structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. While Apache Kafka, we use it. Apache Spark we use for real-time analytics. Going further, the second part of the question is the detailed documentation of the structure of the data that we use to store and the data flow architecture. So the data flow looks like this. The user logs in, or the user generally uses browser or a mobile app. As we are going to use the load balancer at the application layer. The user service is the major part of our application which contains registration, login, and invite module. The users, it also contains the second module. It contains is the chat conversations, and the third one is the user posts module. Let's go into details of each of it. Uh, the registration, login, and invite are all interlinked, so we all put them in one single module. The user on registration would the data of that user would be first sent to Redis, as Redis is in-memory database and it's very fast and it is used for caching, and then it would be sent to Postgres for persistence. Then the second one is the chat conversation. The chat between the users are to be real time. So for real time data streaming, we use Kafka, and for the persistently storing the data, we encrypt the data using the chat encryption and store it in Cassandra. Then the user posts module, which the posts can contain multimedia and text. The multimedia is stored in CDN, which is made possible by the CDN services, and the URL is stored in Cassandra. This data would be then further stored in timelines. We pass it into Kafka before storing in Cassandra because storing in the database is the slower part. So, for the real time analytics, which will be used in Spark and the dashboard, we first put it into Kafka, which then the Spark consumes the data into Kafka, and in the meanwhile, Cassandra stores the data. And we are going the real time analytics can include natural language processing to find the sentiment of the sentences or the post that the user does, or the keyword based analytics, or the natural image processing algorithms which can be used. All the user activity and the application activity are logged and stored in Elasticsearch and Elastic Log. And as the part of our assignment, we would be generating the data for the user login that registration post. That is, the data would be generated, or the dummy data would be generated, and we would be trying to connect Kafka for streaming the data and consume, and the Spark to consuming it and analyte for the analytics and dashboard. And the last, the data the data transfer would be the REST services between the user and user services. The rest would be the API calls of the application based on the language that we are going to use. Thank you.